Hello. Congratulations. You've made it to step 1 of the MLMRC automated recruiting system. What you need to do now is complete the form on this page. Just scroll down to review the form. Before you click submit, be sure to save your work separately on your computer. Click on the instructional video below that shows you how to fill out the form. After you click the submit button, you should see your work appear on a web page which the form will create for you, if it was successful. If it was not done correctly, then it will simply bounce you back to our home page. If it fails, simply go back to this page and retry it, or you can use our manual send form. The link to that page is below. Also, after you successfully build your opportunity page, but you notice that you see some spelling or grammar errors you want to fix, then just click your browser back button to return to the form. Then simply correct any errors and click on submit again. Also, please read the instructions very carefully, that way it will help to ensure that your information is entered correctly. And again, please back up your work before you click submit. When you've completed this step, go back to our members area homepage that shows all the steps and complete steps 2 and 3, which will activate our ARS system. This will activate our automated system, which will begin recruiting and building your downline. If you run into any issues that you can't solve, please email us and we'll be glad to help. Thank you.